Hello, I am back. Just, I've been thinking, I never did like a tour of Altech in any of my vlogs. Maybe I should do that real quick. People are like, why don't you show your working area? I don't know. Do you guys want to see Altech Eco Corporation? If Yuri approves, I will show. Yuri, it's up to you.
Sure.
That was a serious face, man. All right, so I never showed you guys Altech Eco Corporation, and I will do a brief tour of Altech Eco. Front is over there, that's the door I walked through right here. Let me back up, here we go. Welcome to Altech Eco. Yuri Barva, production manager. This is his office here. Of course, you got your general safety that applies to everyone at all times. This area here, right here that you see, is the general conversion area. Coming into here, you have your wiring department. Hello guys, how you doing? Hey. You got Craig and Yana. Yana, say hi to YouTube. This is where they build the wiring harnesses for all the vehicles. These are templates for the harnesses. A bunch of wires here. And on the shelf, this is your lumen area, QC station, quality control area. Yana hard at work. Craig.
I'm here.
He's there. And this is the final product here. Orders going out, and you can see all the harnesses for every vehicle that are built. Great. See you guys. In this area right here, cylinder covers and cylinders. So this is where it's located. The reason why I haven't been vlogging is because I'm working on these two projects that are right here. And they are very important projects this year for me personally. So that's why I've been away kind of, but I'm back today. In this area, you have your low pressure cylinder assembly. And let me show you what I mean by that. Low pressure consists of fuels. So all different fuels they assemble here. And regulator assemblies also. You can see they got work orders right here. As you guys all know, I sit right there. This is like my little corner where I work out of, my little office, and that's my not parking space, but I'm parked there right now. Looks cool though, you know, you park right here, sit right there. It's very convenient. All right, this truck is in conversion process, and you got Mr. Ruslan. Do you want to say hi to YouTube? He is currently converting. Conversion typically takes a couple hours. This one, generally, I want to say 6 hours or so. In this area, system packaging and inventory department. This is where all the kits are assembled. Hey guys, Alex, want to say hi to YouTube? That means hi. Vlad, what's up, what's up? So this is where they assemble all the kits. Look at that. Bam. You got your work orders right here, and different kits are getting assembled right now. Pretty sweet, huh? You want to say hi to YouTube?
Hi, YouTube.
And of course you have your QC station, which is right there. Cafeteria. Cylinder assembly area is right here. And of course there's no cylinders to assemble at this point in time because they are assembled. So that's where they assemble the high pressure cylinders. This is where the flashing happens. Hey Orest, want to say hi? And this is our man that does all the PCM programming and the, apparently, you know, does everything. Wiring, programming, flashing, as in controller flashing. And he has AFCOMs right here, alternative fuel control modules that he's currently programming. So he flashes it, puts into the system, ships them out, or gives out to the guys on the floor to install the control modules. See you, Orest. Next we got Another lift here. Servicing shuttle bus. I'm not sure for, I think it might be for Mission or somebody else. Then you have your shipping area here. You can see the package getting ready to ship. Dock right here. And you also have your fabrication area, which is located right here. Boom. So this is where all the welding happens. That's Altech Eco. I didn't go as much as detailed, but I think you guys get the general idea. Place is awesome. I think I'm gonna do a quick update where I'm at. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I am in the middle, or just started a very important project that I'm working on, and that's what I'll be focused on. I can't document the project, but Sam and I are gonna continue working on the Mustang video. We were gonna work on it on Monday, but we got rained out. So we are waiting for a few, like a stabilizer to come in, and waiting for the dyno time, which I set up, waiting for a phone call back from them, and we'll get back into the Mustang video. One more thing I want to mention, which I haven't. This is going to be an exciting summer. We're going to be doing a lot of vehicle testing, and we're going to be going cross country. Yeah, you heard that right, cross country. That means filming, developing, everything at the same time. That's my dream come true, and I want you guys to join me for this nice, awesome, blessed adventure. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure to click on that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.